Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, March 12th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. This video is titled, Stop Wasting Time and Take Action, okay? So many people write to me and they reach out over and over and over and over again, asking me the same questions about programs. Do they work? Is this legit? Can I do this? And the answer is yes to all of them. I don't partake in anything that's not legit. In fact, look at this. I'm heading over to the soap shop right now. And the mailman just dropped this off. This is dated March 8th. Okay, you can see this. This is from American Bill Money. Another check in the mail. Another check in the mail. All right, I get paid every single week from the opportunities that I'm a part of. I get people into my capture pages every single day because I show up, I take massive action, and I stay consistent. And you can do the same thing. All right, for those of you who've never seen my videos before, I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years, and I've been fortunate enough to be working for myself full time since 2018. All right, and that's because I show up every day and I take massive action and I stay consistent. That's all you need to do. The majority of people never get ahead because they never take action. They waste their time. They'll spend all day thinking about how great it would be to have a life of where they have complete time freedom, where they can do what they want for as long as they want, wherever they want, and never worry about cash flow. Right? People think about that all the time. But when it comes to taking action, very, very few people do it. That's why people in the work from home space, 98% of people never make money. And it's not because of the programs or the opportunities. It's because people don't do the work. Only 2% of the people do the work. And I talk about it in my other videos. To be part of the 2% club in the work from home space, you have to refer 10 people in your lifetime to your opportunity. 10 people. I referred 10 people last month. I referred 9 people in January, and I've had 4 people in my businesses this month already. 23 people I've referred into my businesses. 23 people I've referred into my businesses since the beginning of the year. Because I take action. All right, so think about how much time you waste thinking about how nice it would be to have time freedom, or to quit your 9 to 5, or whatever goals you have. How nice would it be to drive the Bentley? How nice would it be to live in a house in a neighborhood I want to live in? You know, all these things. You spend all this time thinking about the stuff, but very few people take the time to actually do the work that's necessary in order to reach those goals. And I know, because I've done it. I did it for years. There's a reason why the first 10 years I was involved in the work from home space, I wasn't able to quit my job. And it's because I was hopping from program to program to program to program. It wasn't until I finally decided that I was going to stick with an opportunity until I started making residual income from it. And then after that, I started adding new income streams, which is great. I think it's fine to have. You should have more than one income stream. Like I always say, get your first one up to a comfortable amount of money. $500 to $1,000 a month extra will change most people's lives. So once you get your business up to those levels, then you add another income stream. And that's how you work the businesses. That's how you do this. You stay consistent in one business and take action. Stop procrastinating. You know, people, they have fear of failure, which I understand. I get all this because I've been there. People are afraid to fail because, nobody wants to fail. People wait to become motivated. Well, that's never going to happen unless you motivate yourself, right? And you overplan and overthink things like, is this the right opportunity? Is it, it doesn't matter. Just start doing something. Take action today and start doing something to build your business. Nothing's going to be perfect. There's never going to be anybody you can get motivation from other people, but you have to ultimately find motivation in yourself. Okay? Because you're the one that's going to be doing the work. You're the one who has to show up every day, whether you want to or not. You know, if I don't show up to my businesses every day, I don't make any money. So stop over planning stuff. Stop thinking about stuff too much. I mean, just find a business opportunity or a service that you can provide that has an affiliate program attached to it. So when you get referrals into it, you're going to make commissions. Something you're passionate about. You know, I'm passionate about helping people make money online. I'm in the make money online industry, but there's all kinds of niches out there in every type of industry. There's programs for everything. You could find just a product on Amazon or Walmart that you like and go share it with other people and make commissions on that. Right? So you don't have to start off with this, you know, small steps lead to great things. So don't overwhelm yourself and think you have to learn everything or do everything in one day. Just small steps. Start a YouTube channel. Start talking about the product or service that you're doing and just stay consistent and do that every single day. Post it on social media every day. Share it with other people. If you just get 2 people to look at your opportunity every single day for a whole entire year, you're going to have life-changing results. Just having 2 people look at your opportunity, not 2 people join your opportunity. Just have 2 people look at your opportunity every single day, and that compounds. And over time, you start getting results. And over time, those results become life-changing. So, you know, that's just what I tell people. I see the people, I just can't get over it, how many people write to me and ask me if the opportunities that I'm in are legit, if they work. And I'm showing proof. That's why I do these videos, my payment proof videos. That's why I post on my Facebook when I get checks in the mail. This just came in. This is another check. Look at March 8th. Right? You can do this. Anybody can do this. Any single person can do this. You don't have to be a marketing guru. You don't have to be a marketing expert. You don't have to be anything other than yourself. You can do these. All these opportunities. If you go to joinruss.com, right, you'll see all the opportunities that I partake in. Find one that resonates with you. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Join it. And I'm going to send you a resource page where you can share the opportunities on over 80 different places online. 99% of them are free. I'm going to send you the exact letter template that I use to send out in my direct mailings each week. And you're going to get my contact information. So anytime you need help or have questions, I'm here to help you out. You can reach out to me. The only thing you need to do is take action, right? So stop wasting your time. Take action. Let me know in the comments what steps you're going to take today to start changing your life. Anybody can do this, all right? I'm nobody special. I don't have millions of followers. I'm just somebody who shows up every day and I take action, all right? So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you find value in my video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I look forward to seeing you in my next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.